Um, so anyway, welcome here, and I hope let's have fun. And of course, it's all about having fun and getting to know each other and exchange our ideas. So I think make it enjoyable as much as possible.
From the last time, it was like 4 meters high, in some place.
Okay, and then so I officially announced the opening of this workshop, and you'll be seeing just a visit for 1 whole day.
We don't know which team is going to be first.
Okay. It's purely the fact that we need to live with that. So in order to live with it.
In the metropolitan along the side of the road are not wide enough, and it's pretty.
It has to come up with many plans.
I can meet all of you. Wonderful, smart, and cheerful person in my what do you call it? 40s. In these 40s, so I'm thankful that I already meet you guys, and I also surprised that you guys fit well.
With all the guys again, and we have joined this